Imagine this, you're at home sipping your coffee and money is flowing into your account without you doing anything. Today I'm going to show you the best tools to help you boost your income and start creating wealth on the side. All from the comfort of your home. We're talking about replacing your boring 9-to-5 with a side hustle that actually excites you, and it all starts with leveraging the right tech. Whether you're a full-time employee, a student, or even a stay-at-home parent, these tech tools will help you earn money without having to hustle 24/7. Stick around until the end for some mind-blowing tips on how you can leverage tech to create passive income. Alright, let's kick things off with the first tool that can help you boost your income: freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms allow you to leverage your skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, coding, or even voiceovers, to find clients who are willing to pay for your expertise. You set your own rates, you choose the projects you want to work on, and you can work whenever and wherever you want. Think about it. What are you good at? What do people always ask for your help with? That's probably something you can monetize on these platforms. I know some freelancers who started out charging $5 for a logo design, and now they're commanding hundreds or even thousands of dollars per project. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and become your own boss, freelance platforms are the perfect place to start. Next up, let's talk about something that can really grow your wealth investment apps like Robinhood, Wealthfront, and Acorns. These apps are perfect for beginners who want to invest without the complexity and intimidation of traditional brokerage accounts. You don't need to be a financial expert to start building wealth today. With these user-friendly apps, you can start investing with as little as $5. Robinhood is great for buying and selling stocks, and ETFs with zero commission fees, so you can keep more of your profits. Wealthfront and Acorns are perfect for hands-off investors who want to automate their investments and let the algorithms do the work. So if you're tired of your money sitting in a savings account earning next to nothing, it's time to put your money to work for you. Chapter 3. Turn your passion into profit-selling skills and services online. Think about it. What are you passionate about? What do you love doing in your free time? Chances are there's a market for it online. Whether it's teaching a language, creating digital products like ebooks or online courses, or offering photo and video editing services, platforms like Etsy, Teachable, or Skillshare can help you create a stream of income from your passions. Etsy is perfect for selling handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. Platforms like Teachable and Skillshare are ideal for sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world by creating and selling online courses. Chapter 4. Automation Nation. Work smarter, not harder with tech tools. And here's the secret sauce to maximizing your side hustle income: automating your business. That's where tools like Zapier or IFTTT come in. These powerful automation tools let you connect different apps and services together so you can automate tasks like posting on social media, managing email lists, or even replying to customers. So, don't be afraid to embrace the power of automation and let these tech tools do the heavy lifting for you. Outro, take action! Alright, now that you've got the tools, it's time to take action. Pick one or two of these tech tools that resonate with you and start experimenting with them today. Trust me, the results will surprise you, especially when you start reinvesting those earnings and watch your money grow exponentially. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and like this video if you're pumped to start making money with tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into making money and growing wealth using the latest tech.